fraction. A fraction shows a part of a whole. It represents how many parts of something we have out of a total number of equal parts. For an example, there's a pizza. If you cut a pizza into two equal parts and eat one part, you have eaten one half, written as 1 by 2. Parts of a fraction. A fraction has two parts, one on the top and other at the bottom, separated by a line. It can be written as fraction equal to numerator by denominator. Numerator is number of parts taken and denominator is total equal parts. Let us take example from daily life. You have a chocolate bar divided into 8 equal pieces. If you eat 3 pieces, you have eaten 3 out of 8, which means your fraction is 3 by 8. That shows you have eaten a certain part of the chocolate, not the whole. Understanding whole and part. Let us understand what is a whole. When we say something is whole, it means it is complete. Nothing is missing or divided. For an example, a complete chocolate bar before dividing it into pieces, or a whole pizza before cutting it into slices. What is a part? When we divide the whole thing into equal pieces, each piece is called a part. For example, if you cut one pizza into 4 equal slices, each slice is one part of that pizza. Let us take some examples from real life. We use fractions all the time without even realizing it, like half of a cake, which can be written as 1 by 2, quarter of a pizza, which is 1 by 4. 3 by 4 tank of petrol means 3 parts are filled out of 4 equal parts. Let's come to the conclusion. A fraction represents a part of a whole thing. It helps us to compare quantities, share things equally, and understand real life situations better. Now, there is an easy trick to remember numerator and denominator. Numerator is always written at the top, which is number you have, and denominator is always written at the bottom, which is total number of parts.